These are covered areas where they had picnic tables and they all collapsed. St. Andrews State Park, Panama City, it's limited access. It just opened today. I came thinking maybe I could take a shower at the campground, but that's all closed off. So we'll just see what we can see. This area, oh, that pavilion got nailed. So I'm just walking over this way, gonna walk over by the ocean. I think they just had put a new roof on that a year, 2 years at the most. Sad. Well, this area, you know, doesn't look much different, but there's the jetty. It did get flat. I mean, the sand, there was a hill there. Okay, these rocks all got moved. I mean, these giant rocks. There was like a path through here, and now there's not. Wow. And the end of that jetty is closer. Pavilion. Both of those stairs were both being worked on, so they were already closed to the public. The pier is closed off. I didn't really look at it. Maybe on the way back I'll check it out. But this thing, whatever it is, it actually was half buried in, oh, there's a shell. Anyway, it was half buried by the dunes, and you can see now that it's totally away from the dunes, so obviously a lot of sand got washed away. Again, I don't know what this thing is, but it's concrete and they ain't going nowhere. But anyway, it says stay off the dunes, but because the dunes was right where that sign is, that's where the dunes was. So then you can see that they are now back here. See these poles, these ropes, that was keeping people off the dunes. See all these little holes? They're for crabs. Little ghost crabs, big ghost crabs. When I first moved here, I thought they were snake holes. Maybe a little nervous, but they're more scared of us, these little crabs. See, the roof is missing off that little pavilion, well, you know, shade place for picnic tables, and over where that yellow tape is, there was one there, and it's not there anymore. But that's kind of what these look like, but these are a lot bigger. So yeah. So this is, you know, the restrooms and the little store there are in good shape. I was going to show you down here coming out of this parking lot. got it blocked off and you can't go down there. So we won't. Looks like they're working on the tower. That's the other, where I'm in the pier parking lot. And that building looks pretty good. Really can't tell if where or if there's pure. Oh yeah, they got blocked off there. Oh wow, it's all blocked off to walk this way. Just keeping an eye on things. There you see, it's blocked that way too.